For the deployment, uh, this application can be deployed using two methods. The first is it can be deployed locally, which I will demonstrate on the system, and secondly, it can also be deployed on a cloud. That means by subscribing to any of the cloud service providers. Now, for the local deployment, what you need to do is you need to have the application file on your system. You also need to have two other applications. You need to have Node.js installed on your system. You also need to have the Neo4j database installed on the system. So I'm going to move to my file directory. This is my file directory. This is my hard drive. Under my hard drive, this folder, and then the software legacy, and then this is system4, which is the folder which contains the application. Now, inside the system4, you can see these other files and folders. These are the main folders you need to run the application. Now, to launch the application locally on your machine, you will need a terminal. If you are using a Mac, and if you are using a Windows, you will need PowerShell. So what you do with the terminal is you need to navigate yourself to that exact folder, to this folder over here, using your terminal or the PowerShell. So I'll start a new window. So I'll show you. Now, using the new window, I'm going to type cd, which is change directory, and to go to the root directory. While in the root directory, I will move to software legacy, which is right here. Then after that, I will move to the system4 application by typing system and 4 and click enter. So currently I'm in this folder. So you could see it from the top here. It's saying software legacy, this, and then system4. So while in the folder, to start the application, I've actually written a script which is contained here in this package.json file. So the script is what you need to type to run the application locally, and the script is just npm start. So once you type npm start, while you are inside the system4 folder, and then click enter, the application will launch on your system. Now there is this prompt at the bottom of the terminal which is telling you where you can access the application, listing on port 3050. So we are going to move to our browser to type this address. So on our browser, we'll try localhost, then we'll type 3050. Being deployed on our browser, but this has not completed the requirements for deployment of the application. You also need to, which is expected to be installed on your local machine. So to do that, I will go to my applications. This is Neo4j. I could have searched for it here. So by clicking it, start the application, and at the same time start the database, the grab database, but the application is already launched. So now I will return back to my browser. So now this means the application has been deployed and is fully functional, ready to start simulation.